Alright, I finished this. Turn off this fan. I did paint the top. Pretty much painted it like a gold, brassy gold looking color. If you can see it. So I thought it looked pretty cool. I got the lights done and everything. So I picked the fog lights because it had that kind of color scheme that I'm going for, the orangish, yellowish look, you know. So, and the gold, I like the gold rims, the gold top, metal top. So it's pretty much done. I think I'm going to order some new seat belts for it. Once I get, not sure about riding it around the neighborhood just yet. Tonight, I don't want to piss off the neighborhood, you know, because it is a little bit louder since I started this whole project. All the modifications I got going on, and it's pretty much got more horsepower. I wish there was a way to test the horsepower without taking it to a dyno or something, and I'm not really sure, you know, what it is. They claim that there's 9 horsepower coming out of the engine, so I'm guessing that I increased it. It's hard to say. When you open up the muffler and did the spark coil hack on it, and I opened up the air box so you get direct flow, more airflow, and the jetting the carburetor and adjusting the air fuel mixture and everything, and just you know, and doing general maintenance on it, and you know, actually adjusted the valves on the whole thing. So it's running at top peak performance right now, I think. I'm gonna maybe venture out tomorrow and take it for a spin, and I just hope I don't get busted by the cops, you know, because they know I've been out doing this, you know, working on this. I've been pegged, but I don't really care. But that's where I'm at. I did do the wiring. I ran the wires through here, and I drilled a hole. You can see, there it is. Put it up through the pipe here and through here. These holes were already drilled, and I hooked them up with bullet connectors. Right. This light is a little down, but that's how I ran it. I ran this off. I ran, these are the original lights from the switch here, which I'll run like during dusk or dawn hours or whatever. And then if I need more light, then I'll hook on, then I'll switch these on, you know, which will give me plenty of lights. So that's all done. Everything's done except for maybe getting some new lap belts, seat belts for the lap. But you need all those push button, like that one there. There was missing a couple of them, so when I picked this thing up. But I think for now I'm going to just use the shoulder harness. You know, they go what, 5 point. This is a 3-point 3-point harness that we use in the meantime, which I think it'll be alright. I mean, don't plan on doing any crazy things in this thing, so, but yeah, it turned out pretty good. Should reflect the sun pretty good on the top. That wasn't the purpose, but I mean, it was to make it look decent. And I'll get it out in the daylight. It's like right now it's dark out, so it's 8 or 9 o'clock right now, and eight or 9 o'clock, and it's temperature is 85. I don't know if this temperature is correct on this one, but it's a little sweaty out here, but pretty much finished. Now it's just a matter of riding it and enjoying it. I think I'm going to touch up the floor where you sit, paint that, you know, run some, I got some, I think I'm going to put Flex Seal down on the floor. It's pretty sticky, so you're not like slipping around and when you're trying to get in and out, which might help. I don't know, see. Well, that's all for now. Up for the Hammerhead. Restoration project is complete.